Two is always better than one, right? Well, it is in this episode of H2 Minutes. In our last video, we learned about hydrogen ions and hydrogen atoms. This video is all about the hydrogen molecule, or H2. H2 can be difficult at first because we automatically think that we're talking about H2O, water, or H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, and think that that's what we're talking about when we say H2. Yes, both of them contain hydrogen, but they are totally different molecules. In our last video, we learned about hydrogen ions and hydrogen atoms. We caught a glimpse of what a hydrogen molecule looks like, so let me get that back. H2 consists of 2 protons and 2 electrons and holds a neutral charge. The 2 hydrogen atoms that make up H2 are held together by covalent bonds, which means they share electrons. H2 is a stable molecule, meaning it's not searching for another element to bond with. Some other names for H2 is molecular hydrogen, diatomic hydrogen, dihydrogen, or hydrogen gas. Which brings us to the fact that H2 exists in the form of a gas. A tasteless and odorless gas, to be exact. Some have called H2 active hydrogen, which is an incorrect, inaccurate term, which we will discuss in more depth in our misconception series. Until then, don't ever call H2 active hydrogen. H2 is flammable at a concentration above 4%, except when it's dissolved into solution. H2 can be dissolved into water, but this doesn't mean it bonds with the water molecules. H2 is the smallest and lightest molecule in the whole universe. This intriguing fact is the topic of our next video, and we will dive into just how small H2 really is. You want to know more about H2? Please subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook. And that's your dose of H2 in 2 minutes.